Holiness, holiness is what you want for me.
Hello, thanks for listening in to Marvin Motives. You're still looking at decisions. You see, you've made the very right decision to listen to this kind of cast because you never hear any of these words from anywhere around the world. Right decisions are most powerful than any loud prayer. Decisions are more powerful than loud prayers. Right questions create perfect decisions. We say in a conversation the most important thing is the questions. So you have to ask questions because questions will create perfect decisions. Because whenever you ask, you have answers, and answers will determine the decisions you make in life. Until when you make or you ask questions, you never have to make right decisions. Some decisions require more information. That's why you need to ask, because in asking you regain or you get information. Some decisions require counsel, but most decisions require passion. You must have passion in your life, that passion that can push you to make decisions, that can break in and break through. Sometimes a single reaction from someone makes you make decisions very fast. How people react on your instruction, how people react on your passion will decide the way or the speed you're making your decisions. Decisions to simply love will solve 90% of your problems, and decisions to hate will create 99% of your problems. The decision to simply love solves most of the problems. The quality of your decisions depends on the quality of your questions. I repeat, the quality of your decisions depend on the quality of your questions, because decisions require more information.